Hello bachcho, let's read the problem. The problem says when current is passed through a junction of two dissimilar metals, heat is evolved or absorbed at the junction. This process is called. चार प्रोसेस के नाम आपको दिए गए हैं, चार इफेक्ट्स हैं बेसिकली. आपको बताना है कि ये गिवन इफेक्ट कौन सा है. तो सबसे पहले ऑप्शन ए की बात करते हैं, सीबैक इफेक्ट. व्हाट इज द सीबैक इफेक्ट? देखिए इस फिगर में हम क्या करते हैं, एक जंक्शन को कोल्ड जंक्शन बनाते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज अ थर्मोकपल हैविंग मेटल ए एंड मेटल बी. टू डिसिमिलर मेटल्स आर देयर. मेटल ए और मेटल बी दोनों अलग अलग हैं, दोनों को जोड़कर हमने एक थर्मोकपल बनाया है. एंड इसमें एक जंक्शन को कोल्ड रखा है, यानी कि टेम्परेचर कम है, दूसरे जंक्शन का टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा है. When we will do like this, we will see that there is a automatic EMF induced or EMF generated in the loop of this circuit in this thermocouple. So this is known as Seebeck effect. अगर इसका definition हम लिखें, when two junctions of a thermocouple are kept at different temperature, different temperatures, then there is a EMF induced in the loop. EMF किसकी वजह से इंड्यूस हो रहा है? बिकॉज ऑफ द टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू जंक्शंस ऑफ अ थर्मोकपल. दिस इज नोन एज द सीबैक इफेक्ट. बट प्रॉब्लम में हमसे ये नहीं पूछा है. प्रॉब्लम में हीट एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है और हीट रिजेक्ट हो रही है. सो सीबैक इफेक्ट इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ वी कम टू द पेल्टियर इफेक्ट. इन पेल्टियर इफेक्ट what happens, there is metal A and metal B making a thermocouple. This is a thermocouple. In this thermocouple, what happens is when we supply electricity through this thermocouple, through the junctions of the thermocouple, then what we see, that heat is absorbed at one junction. Suppose at this junction heat is absorbed. When heat will be absorbed, so क्या होगा, heat absorb होगी तो junction will be cold, junction cool हो जाएगा, यानी कि उसका temperature कम हो जाएगा. At this junction heat is absorbed, heat is rejected, so this junction will be hot. एक junction hot हो जाएगा, एक junction cold हो जाएगा when we will supply the electricity at the junction of two dissimilar metals. So Peltier effect is the correct answer, which says that when current is passed through a junction of two dissimilar metals, heat is evolved or absorbed at the junction. This is known as Peltier effect. So Peltier effect is the correct. Peltier effect is correct answer. बट और भी दो ऑप्शंस हैं, उनको भी देख लेते हैं. व्हाट डज दे मीन? थर्ड ऑप्शन इज, ऑप्शन बी इज जूल इफेक्ट. तो जूल इफेक्ट देखते हैं क्या होता है. Joule effect says whenever current flows through a conductor, single conductor, then what happens? There is a heat produced in the conductor, and that heat is equal to I square RT, where I is the current flowing through the conductor, R is the resistance of the conductor, and T is the time for which the heat flows in the conductor. So this much heat will be produced when a current I flows through a conductor. This is the Joule effect. When current flows through a conductor, when current flows through a conductor, it gets heat up. This is the Joule effect. Now we come to the last option, which is Thomson effect. What is the Thomson effect? Thomson effect says that heat is absorbed or released. Either heat will be absorbed or the heat will be released when in a circuit of similar metal. Similar means single metal. Similar or single metal. Heat is absorbed or released in a circuit of similar or single metal when an electric current passes through that circuit, having temperature gradient along its length. अगर किसी सर्किट में टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट प्रेजेंट है, मीन्स टेम्परेचर चेंज कर रहा है अलोंग द लेंथ, और वो सर्किट किसी एक ही सिंगल मटेरियल से बना हुआ है, एंड वी आर सप्लाइंग द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, देन व्हाट वी विल सी दैट heat will be either absorbed or released in the circuit. Okay, so this is the Thomson effect, temperature gradient along the length of the circuit. So which option is correct? Peltier effect is correct option for this question. So I hope you understood it well. Thank you so much. Best of luck.